Hello, my name is Dori O'Neill, and I'm here to talk to you about MAP, Master Affiliate Profits, the brainchild of John Thornhill and Omar and Melinda Martin. This platform is nothing short of extraordinary. And if you're watching this today, you know that you're here watching this during Phase 2, because this video disappears once Phase 2 is over. Phase 2 is the opportunity to buy in for a lifetime. And you're buying into a business platform that's going to change your life. But it's also important that you buy in to a group that's going to be and do more than just what Master Affiliate Profits can deliver. And my team of affiliate marketing professionals and marketing professionals are going to do things that are extraordinary to help you succeed. Number one, if you join in Phase 2 and pick up a lifetime license through my affiliate link, I'm giving you a bonus that's absolutely outstanding. And if you want to see the bonus live, just go to yesshowme.com/map. That's yesshowme.com/map. And what this is a YouTube viral funnel. Now, after this Phase 2 launch, people will get this bonus, but what I'm giving you is extraordinary. I'm not just giving you the template, I'm giving you the fully hosted 10-part video site with all of the email follow-ups, with everything. All you have to do is attach your autoresponder to the site, and you've got a fully hosted site. And I'm also going to allow your members to gain access to my exclusive 365 days of motivational email follow-up sequences. And those sequences help your members stick with the Master Affiliate Profits program. So you have a choice. When you join Master Affiliate Profits, you can join. You can just enter into the program and take advantage of all the magnificent training and tools that are inside of Master Affiliate Profits. But if you want to have an extraordinary bonus of a 10-part YouTube viral funnel given to you, if you want to have a bonus of a 365-day email sequence of follow-ups to your people, then I encourage you to join my team through my affiliate link, which is yesenroll.com/map. That's yesenroll.com/map. And when you do, you'll get those bonuses. And you need to do it prior to this closing, Phase 2 closing, which is going to be over on April 1st. So my name's Dori O'Neill. I hope I've been able to share something with you that will help make this journey with Master Affiliate Profits just a little bit better. We'll see you on the inside of the membership area. Goodbye.